Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. Let's take a quick peek at on-premises and just a one-box design. Again, this can scale out to two-box designs, and I've illustrated that a little earlier, but I just wanted to kind of dial in on premises. So conceptually, it would be the same in the terms of user would connect in through a gateway. Workspot control plane is talking directly to a vCenter or a Nutanix Prism, and from there, once we have that communication, very simple configuration that just points to the vCenter with its IP address and user that's got the rights to provision desktops. So we could use leverage the template that's in this hardware infrastructure, the AD DNS services, and of course one other element to this would be adding the enterprise connector for the Workspot part and Workspot gateways. If in an on-prem situation, if it's VPN is the more desired path, we can certainly support that too. But the gateways make it super simple. You would just simply isolate those gateways in its own dedicated subnet. So that's kind of what on-premises looks like. So I just wanted to give you a peek into that.